Video. See my dad here?
Hello guys, what's going on internet?
Okay, today we're going to make a cool race car, but not just that.
Yeah, we're gonna clean out the garage first. We gotta do that first.
Yeah, also my dad did this all with help. Yeah. And this is, I call this a workshop.
Like what we got going on so far?
Yeah.
Cool. What dad's been working on it.
My dad's going to clean that stuff.
Yep.
Also, I can show you something. No, my dad take away all the spirits on those tires. That's the toolbox. Also, that's our shelf. The problem is we don't want to wake up my brother. Yeah. Also, I have a new bicycle. My dad take care of all of it.
We're gonna move this toolbox over here.
Okay, yeah. Let's go.
Gotta be filming like we got a whole.
Okay. Also, those are my bicycles. Those are all the bicycles.
Steady, don't just wave it around.
Okay. So I like the door open, Dad.
Yeah, move that toolbox.
Yeah.
Gotta be steady when you're filming, so that way you can show us.
So that's
what you're filming at.
That's my motorcycle. That's my bicycle. Also, that's my race car.
Take a second to show them before
Also, tomorrow I'm doing a video called Ride My Bicycle. That means you gotta take a picture of riding my bicycle. But I'm doing it by myself on the car. But I got weight. You don't have no work.
I don't work tomorrow.
You don't have no work tomorrow? Yes. And also, you gotta wait for me. I'm done for school. Now I'm going to ride my car. Also, I gotta phone my daddy. This is all the stuff. I like the light bulb. Okay. Okay. Let's do this.
We're going to get this garage stuff going. And
yeah.
We're going to get this garage stuff going. And we'll get back with you a little later.
Give a thumbs up on our video. If you don't, yeah,
please like and subscribe.
Yes.
Help our channel grow.
Yeah. And also, this is all the
pile of parts.
Yeah, big piles of parts. And that is going to be able to use. Also,
it's a little cold outside. We're going to open the garage here.
Yeah. You like my suit? Kind of cool.
Toolbox moved.
Yeah. Okay. Can you show them my new
Show them. Slow down. Show them what you want to show them.
I want to show them my like that and like the metal one.
Okay. That we'll have to do when I find it and I'm able to dig it out. Not sure where it went to.
I don't know.
Oh, it's over there back in the back corner. I have to dig it out.
Okay. That's where I put it, but Dad, what's that?
It's a computer scanner.
Okay. So that's a creepy one, and that's not a creepy one. They're both creepy. That a creepy? Yeah, that's creepy.
That one's creepy?
Yeah, and that one is not creepy. It's still cool. Also, that green one is my fishing rod. Also, we're going to build this car with. That's right, Dad?
Yeah, that's our race car we're going to build.
So this is his. What's that mean? What's that? Dad? A lawnmower. It's kind of car lawnmower. It's kind of,
The riding.
yeah. Also, we're going to open the door up. Not right now. These are the screens. Also, that's the gas. And also, I like to paint our race car to often blue race car.
Blue.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to paint it, that's for sure.
Yeah. Do you have some paint stuff?
Not yet. I don't know if we're gonna paint it or have somebody else paint it. If we want a better paint job, we probably should let a professional do it.
What's a
But,
professional?
I mean, I'm not saying we couldn't try. Cause they has a good. No, don't touch that stuff. That's oil. See, don't do that either. Oh my God, you chill. Hang on. Put your hand right here, because you're dripping it everywhere. Stop, please. Okay, hopefully you didn't fling it on your clothes. All right, hold your hand there. I gotta get you a rag.
Oh, I gotta wait.
Careful, you got oil on your hand now, dude. See?
I'm sorry, Dad.
It's all good, dude. I'm just like, oh man, too late. Oh, well. That's motor oil, bud. That came out of a motorcycle. Daddy did an oil change on a motorcycle. And that's what it came
I was trying to touch it. It looks like ink, but it's oil.
Yeah, looks like he played too much of that bendy game.
Yeah. Because that bendy game.
Just stuck it right back in there. This stupid plug. This plug cannot stay out of there.
Okay, we're gonna do. And that's the fire stickers. Whoa. Starting it is 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. We're starting in the garage. And up here is the stairs. We're going to do all this stuff. Also, that's everything we're going to fix. We're going to make like this a race car. So, my dad worked on that light. Also, he just did all of these to work. He needs some help with this. That was great. That was so great. That was so good, so great. Okay. I'll say 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! That was good. 1, 2, 3. And whoa! Also, I said about we're going to start this old baby. Music. Like and subscribe. You're doing this. Want to rock on? Guys, that's what we're making. Music. So cool. Something happened. Okay, let's do this. I'm using my hammer to get away from the hammer, from the tires. Checking right now. Don't. Okay. I'm putting where I put it.
We're gonna leave that for real tools. That's your toolbox for real tools. I'll probably throw some more in there out of the tools that I don't use out of my toolbox.
Where I put
You
it?
also need to find the rest of your tools because you're missing some stuff in there.
Banging my head on you. I'm banging my hammer on you. I'm banging the hammer on Daddy. I'm banging on the hammer on you. I'm banging the hammer on you. Am I banging on your head?
Might look like you are, dude.
Okay, and turn. Okay, so I'm gonna do like.
Last time you running down the driveway tonight.
And run up on this. Walk and run up on it. And no, and spin. So cool. You do that. Like you spin the stove. And you take a picture. And you spin. You know how to do that, Simon? But this is me. I'm counting on you. You know this. No, me. It's like the color of my car. Take. Okay, let's do this. And you like my. So cool. The tires was here. Look at my tires. But you really cannot see it. Look at the tires. Oh, there's a light there. Okay. You want to see it? Okay, let's do this. You go up, circle. Just gotta turn it around. So whoa. Okay. That's somewhere steady at. I know. Look. That's TikTok. I'm not doing TikTok right now. This is the Fortnite dance. Okay, let's do another. Hi guys.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the video.
Yeah.
The Haklik Racing channel and fabrication.
Yeah.
And
We'll see you in the next one.
yep, we'll see you on the next video.
Bye. Bye guys. Toodaloo.
Thanks.